Alright, wanna come get food? Come. Daddy, I did everything was supposed to do. I get ready for school now.
Alright, baby, just milk the cow and then that's it. Hello, Grandma. Ashan. Want to talk to you about some things. You can forward over here, please. It's really important. Alright. And when you come over, you can buy me something to eat, please. When I ask for much, maybe a zinger or a juice. Alright.
Yes, you're easy now.
Right,
Hey,
chill,
boy, you.
babes, chill, man. You're too much. Yo, those implants look really nice. They did a good job on those.
Of course. Next, me I go do my body. Hello? Yeah? Alright, me so forward. Just wait now. Okay? Alright. Anything you say. But me not buy nothing for you. I'm too hungry belly. Yeah, me there with my boyfriend. Yeah, the one from Canada. What you mean? Mind your damn business. Alright. Listen, me I go forward now, okay? And stop calling off my phone. Oh God. Feel hot.
Come on, babe, let me give you a massage. You look tense.
Alright. Easy for you start something you can't finish. I'm so forward back. Boy, just a ring off my phone, say, you know, say I'm busy, I do things with my life. Why you say them annoying?
Sorry, Grandma. I just didn't want to talk to you about something what happened yesterday.
So say what you say now, you call me out of my house. Say what you say now, idiot.
This girl, Sebastian friend, I think she might be daddy daughter. Hold on, let me call him. Sebastian, more you forward. More to talk to you about something. Yeah. Alright. Okay, alright. No man, don't worry about that thing. Me pay for your taxi fare going back. Okay? Just hurry up and come. Cause my granny there and she want to talk to you too.
You idiot. You just see one random little girl and you just assume say your father, daughter. You idiot.
Me not assume nothing, Grandma. She have the same exact eye color like we.
Where really I say? Oh, eye color. You know, all our family alone have the eye color, yeah. Give me more information now. What else? She pretty? God move she pretty now, cause your daughter ugly. I mean, I hope me get one pretty granddaughter for once.
Yo, bro. What go on? What I deal with? Hi, Grandma. You looking nice today? Look like your surgery did well too. Them look nice and round.
Hey, look, boy, what you here call grandma? First of all, don't come talk to me them way there. I'm older than you. But anyways, tell me more about your local friend. She pretty?
Wait, when I ask about Diana, yeah man, she pretty bad. She have tall hair and her eyes light like Funa one. She have a nice best looking girl in her school though, nah lie.
Hey, so you know anything about her family? You see her parents them before? Her mother and her father?
Well, come to think about it, I never see her mother before, or her father. Her granny always a come to school, or Anthony, but a junior father.
Alright, I'm gonna want you to do me a little favor. I want to meet her. You can do that for me?
That not gonna be no problem. Her friend and me kinda a talk.
Alright. If all of this go good, no worry. I'm gonna give you a little thing, okay?
But wait, why am I so curious about Diana all of a sudden? I don't understand what go on. When I gonna tell me this sound kinda weird.
Don't worry about nothing. Just do what we say, alright? Big A, they finally come. Mwah.
Oh Diana, that dress still look really nice by you. Alright, so what you want to do? You not hungry? But I think,
Me gonna cook for you.
really, you know for cook?
Yeah.
Alright. You want me to help you cook? My father teach me a good thing.
No man, me do it by myself. No worry, you're gonna love it. Smell the goodness already.
Come on, maybe you cook together.
Alright, just don't mess up the kitchen, okay? You can make the sauce.
Shit. Okay, alright.
So what this you call cooking? You already make mistakes. You look cute though. Well, yeah, do it. But please, not too much salt, alright?
Do you think man I eat that? Don't worry man, I know what I do. Plus, my mother always cook with it together. Don't worry man, this is gonna be great. Me and you know, as a team, make the perfect team, don't it? You won't even believe what I tell my father if I can come here. Them say I stay at my friend's house and where I work on one homework.
Really? I can't believe Anthony actually fought for that. Usually, him always know what I go on. You know? Come like him at our age sometime. But I'm glad you're there though. I don't want to be by myself. It's kind of creepy, you know?
No worry man, I always a good day for you. Make sure you're good. Yeah, chef up a thing though man. Look kinda sexy the way you chop up that fish there.
Sexy. I eat that in a shut up. So stupid. You can stay here for 2 more days. We're gonna not come back till Tuesday. So that give us a lot of time to spend with each other. Plus, now I'll go with Kareem.
Hey, so much time we get for spend with you. That sounds nice. Yeah, man, you have a good time. I know man. No parents around, you know. Come spoil up the thing. And you can cook for me all day. Coming like me and you married for the couple days. I mean, it's not too bad. We could really enjoy spending, you know, like me and you being married when we're older, like in our 30s or so. This would be nice. I mean, if you're in a them thing there.
I wouldn't mind though. I mean, we know each other for years. Kinda perfect, if you really think about it. The food smells good, don't it? So yeah, stay in a space to eat the food now. Tell me how me do.
Oh, sorry. Just said I think about something. I know the food I got good. Come on, Diana. What's the surprise?
You can turn around now.
Whoa. Diana, you look so pretty. You look really nice.
Really? You don't think you look away?
Oh man, you're perfect. So perfect.
Thank you, Junior. Now come here. Oh, make you know, Sam, I'm just happy to see you there for me. You're the only person I can really be myself with. And you make me so happy, Junior. I really love you. I love you more than anything.
You know me, I always love you, Diana. Oh baby, me I look at taste no man. Just a little taste.
Roy, go home to your wife.
Alright, listen. We'll go around the back road. Nobody know if see we alright. Don't worry about a thing. Just come on. Let me go. One look at this. That's all
I
me
tell you
ask
time and
for.
time again, you know. If you can't drink and you can't hold your liquor, don't come here.
Come on. Now, me there. Me I wait by you.
Right? Go home to your wife, alright? Me not like people husband.
Are you alone I worry about she, you know? I mean married to her. And me not worry about her. So what you are worry about her for?
Right? Go on home, alright? Without you can even stand up. Go on about your business and come out of my face.
You know, you don't feel talk to me, so I'm a customer. You have to have respect for me.
Yeah, and you done buy a drink, so go home. Bye, Roy. Leave. You're annoying me right now. Babes, you finally forward? Come here, man. Rice, my man here come now. Go and buy your business for him body up. Just play along, alright, Richard?
Oh, baby, I just come to check up on you to see if you are. Babes, how you doing? Is everything alright with you?
Thank God you come when you did. That man was getting up on my damn nerves. Richard, come drink with me, man. It's a quiet day today.
Well, I'm glad I could help you out, but I can't forget about your money, you know, more you.
That cool, man. You helped me out, so, you know, that'll be a payment. Come drink with me. Why you look so nervous? Dance with me.
That cool, man. You go lock up the bar now.
You got to no mom. I want to walk home by myself. So you can just swap me there and then you can go on with your business.
Yeah, man, that's alright.
Don't be shy. Come forward, Ina. My roommate gone out tonight, so it's just me and you there. Yeah. You alright? You look kinda nervous. You want something for drink? Alright, we'll get something for drink. From my first see him, I like you, you know?
I like it too.
Not be nervous. You go alright, okay?
Maybe I should go home.
No man, forward in my room. I don't know why you're so nervous. Man, it was the first time you do this. Look how you're cute. Forward man, Richard.